Okay, first top tip for Discord is we get a lot of people jumping in some Discords, asking people if they want some help, whether they want to jump into DMs. If you ever want to check what people have been doing in a Discord, and lots of other things as well, you can always go to the search function. You see you've got mentions here, second from the top. Click on mentions, and I'm just going to put myself in here, Mr. Yellow. Select the user, and then you're going to be able to see their history. So you'll be able to check what they've been saying. Have they been saying, have they been trying to get people to jump into their DMs? Have they got a history in this Discord? So do use that search functionality. You can also use it to search what other people have been saying, maybe the project leads.